of the Iron Man suit is accelerating your condition.
Right now he's watching the show. Can't wait to meet you in person, get a chance to see you, and we're all pulling for you.
Get well, man.
Get well, man. All right, brother. Why don't we see what's happening around the National Football League?